Unit 2 Motion. Topic is acceleration. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity, or it is the change of velocity in unit time. It is a vector quantity. It's having both magnitude and direction. Acceleration. Acceleration is equal to change in velocity. Its unit is meter second minus 1 by time taken t in second. Final velocity minus inertial velocity. Here final velocity is denoted by the letter v and inertial velocity is denoted by the letter u. So acceleration is equal to change in velocity means final velocity minus inertial velocity by time taken. The SI unit of acceleration is meter second minus 2. If v is greater than u, that is, the final velocity is greater than inertial velocity, the velocity increases with the time and the acceleration is positive. Velocity increases with the time இருந்துச்சுன்னா acceleration is positive. If v is less than u, if the final velocity is less than the inertial velocity, the velocity decreases with the time. The value of acceleration is negative. The negative acceleration is called retardation or deceleration. The acceleration has a value of minus 2 meter second minus 2. We can say deceleration is 2 meter second minus 2. Next, the graphical representation of motion along a straight line. Here see the graph. It is drawn for the distance and time graph for uniform motion. This graph showing distance and time graph for uniform motion. See the tabular column. It's given for time in minute, distance in meter. Reading for the value given for time is 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Here the difference is 5. Equal interval of time. Next, see the distance given in meter. Here the value is 0, 500, 1000, 1500, 2000, 2500. Here also the difference is same, that is 500. So now drawing the graph, in x-axis time in minute, y-axis distance in meter. While plotting the graph, it is a straight line. See the slope A, B, C. Here AC is the time, BC is the distance traveled. So this is the distance time graph for uniform motion. Formula speed equal to distance covered by time taken. Here the distance is BC and time taken is AC. Here distance is 500. 1500 minus 2000 minus 1500, difference is 500, and time 20 minus 15, that is 5. So 500 by 5 equal to 100 meter per minute. So the speed of the speed of this diagram, 500 by 5 equal to 100 meter per minute. So this is the graphical representation of motion along a straight line. This is for uniform motion. Next, non-uniform motion. The distance time graph for non-uniform motion. See the tabular column. The time interval is same. The difference is 2. The distance in meter is given here 0, 1, 4, 9, 10, 25. The distance traveled is difference is different. 0 to 1 is 1, 1 to 4 is 3, 4 to 9 is 5. So here the distance traveled is different. So see the graph. Time in x-axis and distance in y-axis. Distance in y-axis. While plotting the graph, it is not a straight line. It is coming in curve. So note that the graph is not a straight line as we got in the case of uniform motion. Thus the graph represent motion with a non-uniform speed.